Hello, in this video you are going to learn how to split your screen and turn your computer off correctly. In order to split your screen so that you can see two screens at one time, you need to locate the Windows button and your arrows, your left and your right arrows. This will allow you to move whatever sheet that you're looking at to either the left or the right of the screen and then pull up something else. This is beneficial. A really good example of why this is beneficial would be maybe your teacher has assigned a video for you to listen to and watch, but she's also assigned some questions that she wants you to answer. If you split your screen, then on the left or the right, you can have the video playing, and then on the left or the right, you can have those questions. You can be typing the answers in while you're listening. So it's a real good trait to have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here. I'm going to open up my search for a keyboard, and I want this right here to go to the left side of my screen. So coming up here again, you're going to hold down the Windows key, and then you're at the same time you're going to press the left arrow. Okay, so I'm going to hold it down, press the left arrow, and lo and behold, I have moved this to the left side of my screen. Okay. Maybe I want to bring up another thing. This is the course, okay? So maybe I bring up another tab and I wanted to see the prior tab, and this one has taken over the screen, so I just hold down the Windows key and go to the right. So now I can see both sides of the screen, all right? If you're trying to open up a tab that's already open in the picture that you've brought to the left or the right, it's going to be hard to do that. All right, so you might, hold it down, take this one to the left. Well, when you open this one up, it also is on the left. You can do Windows to the right, but it's going to move that original one to the right as well. So to get around this, you just simply move one of the tabs out, okay? And then that would allow you to work on both, and one would be on the right and one would be on the left. If you have a Word document up, you can move those as well to the left or to the right. I was having a little trouble moving the keyboard picture to the left or the right for whatever reason, but it should work the same. To get it out of the split screen, just maximize your picture, and that will allow you to do that. All right. So again, I could be watching a video on this side while taking notes on this side, and that's super helpful. Or maybe I'm looking at a math problem here, and instead of having to toggle back and forth between the math problem and how I'm answering the math problem, all I have to do is split my screen, and over here I am figuring out the details. So that's how to split your screen. Okay. The second thing we want to look at is how to turn off your computer correctly. Many times as a teacher, I see students just simply close the computer and go and plug it in. Okay, and a lot of students are used to doing that. And I can tell the computer's still on because the blue light is still on the side. It's still flickering on the side of the computer. That tells me that computer is still on and still using battery life. It has been suggested that you put it in sleep mode, but that still uses some battery life. So be aware that if you put it in sleep mode, you can potentially be using your battery life. So our suggestion is that you simply go down to your Windows menu at the bottom, pull it up, go right here, and just shut down. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, so, and I would do that after every class because the fact is, it is not that hard to turn your computer back on again, unless you do have a computer that struggles with that. And in that case, you're just going to have to make your own decisions. All right, so there you go. That's how you split your screen, and that's how you properly turn off your computer.